Alright guys, the upper is just bolt in. Pretty easy. Pretty much it. And they come right out. And they give you new bolts and the new upper ball joint. See if it says what grade they are. Not really. I don't know. It's a fake 10.9, 10.9. Like I said, not happy with the bolts too much, but these uppers weren't real tight. Clean this off. You don't want nothing in between your bolts, no dirt. Clean as you can get it there, nice and shiny. Of course, it's falling down on the freshly painted down at the bottom, which don't matter. Just make sure there's no dirt in between where your bolt heads go, and no grease build up underneath, but between where your ball joint's going to bolt. It's got to be clean. If not, you'll end up having a loose condition. Yeah, nice and shiny underneath there. Stuff actually cleans up good. Just bolt it in. It's that simple. Already got the greasing fit installed. Get your one bolt and nut started, no matter which one. They're not self-locking, so. Well, I guess they are. They must be pinched. Yeah, they're pinched in the middle. Okay, there it is. Make sure I get that on the right direction. Yep. Make sure your pinch goes towards the bottom. Basically, you won't be able to screw it on. Sorry guys, I've got to wear a mask. Oh, it's a good idea to wear a mask. Here, tighten that down, and it's done. Okay. I'll come back when I go to, when I set the knuckle assembly up in there and spin it back and forth. Alright, stay tuned.